Hello, guten Morgen, Sawasdee everyone. My name is Robin Schroeter, your German actor and acting coach back in Bangkok with 20 years of film industry know-how in my backpack. Welcome to my channel, and after last week's set vlog, you're pumped to act, but you need a showreel to get noticed. Today, I'm breaking down how to build a pro showreel in Thailand on a budget, because trust me, you don't need Hollywood cash to shine. I did it, and you can too. Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly tips. Let's make that real. Why do you need a show reel? It's your acting highlight reel. It's 1 to 2 minutes showing casting directors what you've got. In Thailand, a killer show reel can open doors, especially for expats, since we're a smaller pool. First big role in The Creator came from a student film scene clip I used in my showreel. It showed I could handle drama and a cheeky grin. Thailand's market loves showreels, punchy reels that scream versatility. Drama, comedy, maybe a Thai soap vibe. A good reel got me callbacks for The Creator. Without one, you're just a name on the list. Yet build yours without draining your wallet. Step 1. Student films. Your budget BFF. These are low budget or free projects by Thai uni students, perfect for footage. You find them in line groups, Facebook or university boards, like at Chulalongkorn University where I studied. During my master's degree in business administration and directing, I did tons of student films. No pay, and I got clips for my reel. And I met producers and directors who cast me later. Be a pro on set, show up early, know your lines, and ask for raw footage rights up front. One student of mine built a reel from 3 student shoots and landed a commercial. It's work, but it's gold for your show reel. Next up, pro headshots and video clips. Your show reel needs a great headshot to pair it with. And I'm not talking selfies. My 7,000 baht headshot and video package at MasterClass Studio gives you a polished photo and a reel-ready clip. It's a game changer. Or hire a Bangkok photographer for 6,000 baht. Get looks, serious, friendly, action hero or the model. A sharp headshot got me callbacks for happiness. It's your first impression. For videos, shoot short scenes with friends, use student film clips. Our Fundamentals of Acting course teaches you how to pose and pick shots that pop. Don't skimp here, it's your ticket to audition. Now, editing your showreel. You don't need a fancy editor. Free apps like InShot or CapCut, they work wonders. I edited my early reels on my phone, and they still got me gigs. If you hire somebody for 5,000 baht in Bangkok, it still gets you a solid edit. Keep clips short, 15 to 30 seconds, showing drama, comedy, maybe a Thai soap or opera vibe. And here's the key, show range, not your life story. My first reel had a haphazard drama clip and a funny student film bit. Directors loved the mix. Avoid over-editing, no crazy filters or slow-mo disasters. Keep it clean, pro, with your name and your contact info at the end. Our Acting for Film course walks you through editing tricks to make it shine. Once your reel is done, it's showtime. Upload it to actorsthailand.com. That's where casting directors in Bangkok look. Send it to talent agencies. Post it on your social media and bring it to MasterClass Studio showcases. I showed my reel at a showcase and it caught a producer's eye for a commercial gig. Keep your reel fresh, updated yearly with new clips. One of my students added a course scene to her reel and booked a Thai drama role. Our Acting for Film course helps you build and pitch your reel to the right people. It's not just a video. It's your calling card to Thailand's film world. That's how you build a show reel on a budget in Bangkok. Your ticket to big roles. What's your dream show reel? Drop a comment below. I read everyone. Subscribe and hit the bell for more tips to launch your acting career. Join our Fundamentals of Acting course at masterclassstudio.com to create a killer reel. Reach me online at Robin Schroeter or email robin@masterclassstudio.com. And next week, I'm sharing our student success stories. Don't miss it. Thank you so much and Sawasdee.